guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another tutorial for you guys, and it's on this look right here that I created today. It's a holiday look. I hope you guys like it. Before you start watching, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on my social media that I'll link down below. With that being said, if you want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. Alright guys, I'm going to start by priming my face with the Benefit Porefessional. Going to apply a little bit on my finger and just apply this all over my face. Next, for the foundation, I'm going to be using the Beauty Creation Flawless Day Foundation. This is the shade FS 5.5, and I'm also going to be mixing it with the CoverGirl Clean and Fresh and the shade Light, which is number 540. And I'm just going to take my damp beauty blender and blend the foundation out. Next, I'm going to take this concealer by Essence Beauty. This is in the shade Light Honey. And again, grab my damp beauty blender to blend it out. Next, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Banana Powder. So for this look, I'm going to be taking the Makeup Revolution, the Nightmare Before Christmas Sally palette. And I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called A Glow. And I'm going to be applying this shade as my brow bone highlight. For my transition color, I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called Play Dead. Next, I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called Mad Scientist. Next, I'm taking this shade, which is Frightful. Next, I'm going to be taking the Jack palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here, which is called Shock. Next, I'm going to be taking this shade right here, which is called Sandy Claus. And I'm going to be applying this color to the outer corner. Next, I'm going to be taking this Pixie Beauty Liquid Glitter. Going back to the Sally palette, I'm going to be taking the shade Frightful again and applying this color to the bottom lash line. Next, I'm going to be taking the Milk Mascara and coat my lashes. I did put my lashes off camera. These lashes, I got them from Amazon. They came with, I believe it was like 20 of them in a big package. Next, I'm going to contour my face using my Pretty Vulgar Nesting Beef Face palette. I'm going to be taking the shade Son of a Beef to contour. Next, I'm going to take shade Ego. For blush, I'm going to take Mirror Mirror. For the highlight, I'm going to take the Glimmers of BS. And I'm also going to apply this as my inner corner highlight. To set everything, I'm going to use the Pop Makeup Magnet Mist. For the lips, I'm going to take this Buxom lip liner in the shade Clock and Dagger. And I'm going to take this cream lipstick by Hank & Berry. This is in the shade Te Amo. this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.